This week we're talking about fables. What is a fable? Well, the definition of a fable is what is always true about it. Fables are short tales that not tales like a dog has a tail, but short stories that have animal characters and that teach a moral. So a fable is a story that is passed down orally. Means by mouth from one group to another over a long time. These types of stories are called traditional literature. Fables are just one type of traditional literature. So as you listen to, or maybe you have already read or listened to the contest between the sun and the wind, think about it and think, does it fit the definition of a fable? Is it a short story? And does it have a character um, of an animal? And then I need you to go down to ReadWorks and remember to put in our class code. And I would like you to read a fable called The Hen That Laid a Golden Egg. Think about how this story fits the definition of a fable. So we are learning about what is a fable and what makes a story a fable.